Hello and welcome back. Hope you're good, doing well. So we are having oil chart. So we're going to look at the oil. Oil is just simply testing that previous top, and we may get a nice, good price action and a good move, good trade over there from that place. So as we can see that the oil, demand is just simply peaking over there, and some OPEC countries were just trying to push the oil prices away from this area from 7 or 65 areas, and they successfully managed to push the prices higher, but demand is peaking over there, and higher rates are simply biting and slowing down the growth. So it's just simply setting up for a drop, for a leg over there. We are tracking that since very long, that this bullish leg to break down and fall to the downside, but we still can see that the breakdown is not coming, and prices just simply still pushing higher, keep pushing higher, keep pushing higher. All right, on lower time frame at this area, this place at 83. So some major banks, they were forecasting that the oil gonna tag to 80 85 areas and gonna peak over there. So seems their forecast is right, and at this area, that place, we may see another leg lower. So the chart is very much clear, so we are expecting price to drop. So we're gonna stick to the bearish view on the oil. All right, so as we don't see reason for the oil to keep trending for upside, so you're simply looking for oil to hold that place. All right, so hold this area, that place, and give us a price action over there and break down this bullish leg, the daily leg, breakdown, correct over there, and continue to keep dragging lower all the way. So let me show you a chart over there so that you can get the idea that what kind of trade you are looking. So we are having some price action over there on wheat. Okay, so wheat has made its leg lower. So wheat is a very good indication that oil may also drop. So if you remember that wheat was going higher because the grain deal was suspended by the United Nations grain deal, suspended by the Russians. Right, so the Ukraine grain deal suspended, and because of that, we have seen strength on grain, on wheat. All right, so we have seen significant strength over there on wheat, and then again, easing came over there, and wheat started to fall. So this might be a good indication for drop on oil. So you are simply looking for a very much similar pattern formation is here. Okay, but scale is bigger on oil this time, but scale wasn't bigger over there on wheat. But this is a good indication that the commodities are falling. So commodities are falling, and we may see wheat commodities falling, and we may see similar kind of move on oil as well. So the move you are looking is very much similar like the wheat. So up to 60, yeah, like this leg which is just appearing over there. So if I'm gonna look at the lower time frame on oil, so we still can see that the oil still hawkish, all right, still bullish, still pushing more higher. So the area or the place you're watching is the previous top. All right, so this previous top, and price to not go above that and then fall, correct, and continue to keep dragging lower. So if I'm gonna go to the daily time frame and gonna pull my horizontal ray over there, so that's the peak. All right, that's the peak, and these are the price action area where you're watching price to hold, and this to draw for the downside. So hope that makes sense. So we were expecting oil to drop from that top, and the drop is just simply happening, but the drop is very much slow. We can see that, but the drop is just simply happening. Yeah, so I'm trying to find my old chart somewhere there. Might be on a 2-day time frame, or yes, there you go. So we are still within that drop trend, and this longer term chart is still intact. So we are still looking oil to continue to keep dragging lower all the way up to 30 or 40 areas. All right, so still this chart still intact. Why this chart still intact? The reason is very much simple, guys. We know that this lower growth is coming over there, and the demand is falling. High rates are biting the economy. Yeah, so still this will remain intact for longer term on oil. All right, so So yes, you're watching oil to not go above this 84, 85 areas and drop from there. Right? So these charts played out nicely. So a similar kind of move, big leg we are looking over there on oil from there, from that top. Okay. So yes, there is still a chance that we may see, you know, that kind of sell-off over there on oil. So this one is not, but this kind of sell-off may appear over there on oil, or at least this kind of sell-off may appear over there. All right. So yeah, that's it. Thank you.